The Vivo X200 family will be introduced on October 14th. The lineup includes 3 models: the Vivo X200, Vivo X200 Pro, and Vivo X200 Pro Mini. We now have the first live images of the most compact model in the lineup, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini. In the live image, we can see that the device has a compact form factor and features a round camera module on the back. That bump houses 3 rear cameras, along with the expected Zeiss tuning. The white lines on the frame confirm that it is made of metal. The last image also reveals a speaker and a USB-C port on the bottom. The Pro Mini will feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with flagship-level features, including a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. The X200 Pro Mini is expected to line up with the Sony 50MP LYT818 as its primary camera, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 200MP periscope telephoto camera. These 3 handsets will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. Last week we see some comparison Vivo X200 Pro Mini and iPhone 16 Pro. The X200 and X200 Pro may hit the global market in the first quarter of 2025. There is no clarity about whether the X200 Pro Mini will be released globally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.